Since my current client buys software companies, here is a course that I developed for one of the companies they acquired, and the customer support call center people need to understand how to explain to the client the basics of the email marketing workflow module for the Gomembers enterprise. So this is what I just, of course, start out with the objectives of the course, recall the basics of email marketing, understand how constant contact works with the Gomembers enterprise, and so on. So we go with email marketing basics for marketing and workflow, how to broadcast groups of contacts in their campaigns. And I just did this little accordion explanation of how the templates work, the different workflows that need to be created in the software, how to log in, and how to import contacts. Fairly basic. And then next, common uses for email templates. Just to remind them how to reset their passwords, welcome emails, cash receipt emails, subscription emails. Email marketing is very annoying, but this is like functional for their product line and what they sell. So I don't think too poorly of it. And of course, we do our little quizzes and so forth. And then talk a little bit more about constant contact. Export email addresses, log in, do constant contact, import sends, view bounces, import opt-outs. Opt-out, that's very important. Here we go. This will mark the constituent's Gomembers record with an indicator that an email blast was sent to this person. Tracking is maintained as a constant contact record. If anyone's worked on email marketing campaigns, that's very important because you don't want to get in trouble. You can be fined if you continue to send emails when somebody has opted out. Pretty simple stuff. So, scroll down. Articulate's pretty good about popping up that continue bar right away. Of course, we do our very basic knowledge checks. I like to do that after I explain every single component of the software, just so people are paying attention, and it reinforces knowledge, which is the name of the game. Okay, so let's continue. And customer inquiries. How do I know if a recipient received an email? That sort of thing. I kind of cringed when I was doing this module because I don't like email marketing campaigns at all, but this is what our client does. People do a lot of things you don't like, right? And inserting dynamic values on an email template. This is just our call center will help the customers out. Explain how to do it over the phone, so obviously we need to know. Here's a little screen recording that was done. That I did. Give a little demonstration. I do some interactive training. I've done it when I've done programming, heavy-duty technical training, where you can enter a code and it corrects it. But I haven't, this client hasn't really had the need for more of the advanced interactive dynamic type stuff, though I've done a few. I like doing it. It can be time-consuming. Almost done explaining this very short training module I did. Important resources. I always like to put in little integration guides just so people know they have all the information they need, all the artifacts. As we know, software companies write lots of instructions, have lots of detail. So this particular client acquires all those artifacts when they purchase the company, and they put them in our master Confluence page. So this will take the user to Confluence. So there we go, the finish line.